Hello everyone, it's your girl Shruti. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So last video में मैंने दिखाया था outfits that I wore on my Andaman trip, and in today's video I'll be talking about all the accessories that I bought, how I styled them, as well as hair care, skin care, makeup जो मैंने carry किया था, and all the essentials that I literally emptied and used every single day. I'm gonna talk about everything in detail in today's video. So if you are going on a beach trip really soon, this is going to be really helpful, or just in case summer aa raha hai, all of these are really great products just to have. So if you want to know what all I carried, then definitely keep on watching till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about accessories or jewelry that I picked for my beach vacay. The first one is this 3-layered shell necklace. I love that it is 3-layered, but each and every layer is different, is separate. So you can actually wear this with some other jewelry. You can like mix and match it together or with other accessories that you have. And this is how it looks like. जब ये आया था बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा था. And one thing that I did do is wear this in the water as well. तो ये मैं निकालती नहीं थी, ऐसे ही पहन के चली जाती थी पानी में भी whenever I'm in the ocean swimming and stuff like that. तो ये tarnish obviously हो गया है, आप देख सकते हो कितना गंदी तरीके से tarnish हुआ है. But this is the back side, I don't really mind. But जो ये white वाले हैं जिसमें ये shells है, you can see the shells are tarnished as well, which is a bummer because मैंने ज़्यादा टाइम ये यूज़ नहीं किया है. The white thing obviously does not tarnish, but जो ये gold shell detailing था ये ज़रूर tarnish हो गया था. Obviously when I bought it, that wasn't tarnish, it was a nice gold shell jewelry, but अब ये tarnish हो चुका है. Talking about this piece as well, I think this is the longest one and I love this cute little starfish detailing right over here. इतना प्यारा लग रहा था. But again, the gold detailing जो इस पे है, each and every gold detailing जहाँ पर भी gold detailing है, everything is tarnished from this till here. I think star is still like okay because इसमें थोड़ा white detailing है, but the back side of it is like tarnished, the gold is tarnished, just the white thing is exactly how it is. And ये survive किया because इसमें कुछ भी gold detailing नहीं था. And yeah, I love that this one looks so good as a choker, as a jewelry to have. If you're not gonna wear it in water, it's a really good jewelry to have. So I would give it a 7 on 10. Next, color theme wise, मैंने similar category में ये bracelet stack लिया है. If you'll see it close up में, it's very similar. It's the white beads as well as gold embellishment. There's a star detailing right over here, and they have this shell thing as well in between. It's like a stackable bracelet और ये कुछ भी connected नहीं है, so you can wear something like this on one hand and style it with something else. So if you want to make it a little less, you can do that. So I love the versatility of like having separate stacked bracelet. बहुत सारे ऐसे bracelet आते हैं जो stacked होते हैं, but they are somehow connected and you can't really separate them. But this one is not like that. And ये भी close up में आप देखोगे इतना प्यारा लग रहा है, इतना प्यारा लग रहा है. This one again, the gold one is tarnished. It is gone. ये भी मैं पानी में पहन के गई थी. And अगर आप vlog देखोगे ना, जो काफ़ी जल्दी आने वाला है by the way, तो उसमें भी मैंने इतने सारे आउटफिट्स के साथ ये पेयर अप किया था और इतना प्यारा लग रहा था. It just gives the best beach boho vacay vibes, and I love the star जो ऐसे dangle हो रहा है. It really pops up, and I love the shell one as well. ये आप ऐसे single भी पहन सकते हो. ये वाला भी अगर इसमें जो भी जहाँ पर भी gold detailing है वो ज़रूर tarnish हुआ है. Again, it's very similar, and ये इसमें I think size का भी कुछ issues नहीं है because it's like the stretchable one, which I like. It fits really well and I really like it as a stack as well. It looks really good. इसको भी मैं 7 on 10 दूंगी because इसमें gold detailing है जो tarnish हो रहा है. Overall 7 on 10. Next, I picked up another bracelet stack, and this is definitely one of my favorite stacks that I've picked up. This is from this brand called Kohinoor. एंड इनके ब्रेसलेट स्टैक्स इतने प्यारे हैं. आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई आउट वन एंड आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद दिस. आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना ग्रैब मोर कलर्स इन इट, बट अगेन दिस कलर, दिस ब्लू कलर इज सो significant to a beach, you know, and इसमें एक प्यारा सा फिशी है. This again, ये भी मैं पानी में पहन के गई थी, but ये इतना ज़्यादा tarnish नहीं हुआ है, वो थोड़ा cheap quality लगा मुझे. But look at it, look at this cute little fish right over here. It also has this star detailing, and I love how chunky and cute this bracelet is. Each and every bracelet is something that you can wear simply. If you're wearing like a blue top, you can just pair or use this bracelet alone, or if you want to stack it with something else, you can. This one is very similar, जो 3 stack वाला जो smallest था is very similar to that, and this is just like a blue and white beaded one. I'm telling you, each and every bracelet on this is so pretty. Look at this, like how cute is this? And this is again very similar light blue color का tinge है इसमें. Again, this one is also so freaking pretty, pairs so well with all the outfits, especially for beach outfits. काफी अच्छा है. I would highly recommend to grab this stack. Absolutely love it. 10 on 10. When it comes to earrings, मैंने कोई भी नए earrings नहीं खरीदे हैं, but these are the ones that I wore the most. ये मैंने already कोई previous vlog में दिखाया होगा. I'll still link it for you guys down below. When you're already stacking so much, your hands are stacked, your necklace and everything is stacked, I wanted to keep it very simple and minimal with my earrings, because आप पानी में जाते हो, I don't want anything to like go away with the water. So yeah, this was one of the earrings that I carried and I wore a lot. Another one is again a heart one, but this is like a basic gold heart earring that I took along with me. Again, ये भी मैंने एक previous कोई vlog में दिखाया होगा. And this one, this gold one is anti-tarnish. It's not waterproof, but still मैं ये पहन के गई थी. So far it has not tarnished, so I'm happy about it. And yeah, these are the 2 earrings majorly जो मैं पहन रही थी. And another one are just these basic earrings जो मैं अभी पहनी हुई हूँ. It's like a basic hoop earrings. I just wanted to carry one basic stuff. With earrings मैंने इतना ज़्यादा experiment नहीं किया. I kept it very simple. So yeah, these are the earrings I carried. Moving on to another must-have accessory are these shades that I picked up. Like, look at them. पूरे वेके में मैंने यही sunglasses पहने हैं. I think I've seen this so many times on Instagram, even on my Pinterest. They just go with literally everything and they look so chic. Perfect for a beach vacay or even in the summers. Like, I know I'm gonna get so many wears out of them. The best thing is they're tinted, so they actually give you that protection. Your eyes are protected, and the price is a stellar. 300 रुपए का shades है यार. Literally every single day I've worn this. The quality is 10 on 10. Highly recommend. इतना मस्त shade इतने अच्छे price में आपको मिल रहा है. Definitely grab it. 10 on 10. Another thing जो मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है, एवरी सिंगल डे पहना है, आर माई क्रॉक्स. आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्पोकन अबाउट दैम, पर आप देख सकते हो कितना ज़्यादा गंदा हो गया है. एंड दैट्स द रियलिटी ऑफ कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम वेके. जो भी आप शूज़ या फुटवेयर कैरी करते हो बहुत ज़्यादा गंदे हो जाते हैं. सो अ डेफिनेट मस्ट हैव आर दीज शू क्लीनर. इससे आप यही नहीं, जो भी शूज हो, वेदर इट बी लेदर, कोई भी मटेरियल हो, यू कैन क्लीन इट विद दिस. जैसे आपने लिया था वैसे का वैसे ही वापस हो जाता है. दिस फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड कॉल्ड शू गेयर. सो इट कम्स विद दिस सोल्यूशन एंड इट कम्स विद दिस थिंग. एंड इसके साथ एक फाइबर माइक्रोफाइबर क्लॉथ भी आता है जिससे आप वाइप आउट कर सकते हो. एंड नॉट ओनली वाइट, ईच एंड एवरी कलर, वट एवर मटीरियल दैट यू हैव, दिस थिंग वर्क्स विद लिटरली एवरीथिंग. मैंने इतने बार इसे यूज किया, आप देख ही सकते हो. लिटरली हाफ ऑलरेडी खत्म हो चुका है ये. एंड या, इट्स अ ग्रेट स्नीकर क्लीनिंग सोल्यूशन एंड आई लिटरली यूज इट ऑन माई फ्लैट्स. अभी ये क्रॉक्स भी धुलने वाला है इसी में, शूज, लिटरली एवरीथिंग. This is a summer or actually all weather must have. That's all I had for accessories. Now let's move on to skincare. The first one is obviously a cleanser, this face wash. Love it. I've spoken about this quite a lot. It's by Forest Essential. It's a delicate facial cleanser. इसका बड़ा size bottle में every single day use करती हूँ. And I have this travel size pack as well. And I love carrying this. इसका जो ढक्कन है ना, proper ऐसे वाला closure है. If you're taking a flight or you're traveling anywhere, this is not going to spill. That's exactly what I like. Moving on to toner, मैं ये वाला लेके गई थी. This is by Haru Haru. It's their Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner, Ultra Deep Technology. I love it. It's super lightweight and especially अगर आप beach location पे जा रहे हो, it's quite hot. You don't want anything that is heavy on my face. So this is perfect, and it kept my skin super hydrated and glowy all day. Really kept my skin in check and hydrated. Absolutely love it. Next, I want to talk about my moisturizer that I carried. This one is by Requel. It's a ceramide and hyaluronic acid moisturizer. ये मैं AM में ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ करी थी because ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, you do sweat quite a lot. So मैं just face wash, toner, and then I used to jump directly onto sunscreen. But I used to love wearing this in the night time, PM time में ये अच्छे से lather करती थी ताकि मेरा स्किन सॉफ्ट एंड सपल रहे. एंड इसमें थोड़े ना सेरेमाइड्स भी है विच रिपेयर्स द टॉपिकल लेयर ऑफ योर स्किन, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर रोमिंग अराउंड इन द सन, टेकिंग अ डिप इन द वाटर. योर स्किन बैरियर इज कॉम्प्रोमाइज क्वाइट अ लॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द हॉट and humid climate over there. Something like this in the night really calms it and repairs it in the night. So ये मैं काफ़ी अच्छे से lather करती थी मेरे face पे and really helped me. Moving on to sunscreen, I have two options for you guys. The one that I use the most is this one by Beauty of Joseon. It's their Relief Sun Rice Probiotic. This is SPF 50 PA+++. आप देख सकते हो मैंने पूरा इसको squeeze कर दिया, सिर्फ इतना सा ही product बचा हुआ है. And this whole trip of 7 days ये मैंने इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है, actually multiple time, because you go out, take a dip in the water, come back, get ready again, and do the whole routine all over again. So this one got utilized so much, and I feel like ये इतना अच्छे से काम किया है. My skin, I mean, tan तो हुई हूँ मैं, but इतना ज़्यादा नहीं हुई हूँ, and it is nice and even. It is not patchy. There's no sunburn whatsoever. कभी कभी ना flakiness हो जाता है because your skin gets burnt and stuff like that. Nothing like that, and I feel I should give the credit where it's due. It's this product. Another one जो मैंने खत्म कर चुकी हूँ is this one by Wishcare. It's a niacinamide oil balance fluid sunscreen. I love that it's super lightweight, does not feel heavy on your skin, and I love that it's a little bit on the matte side. So अगर आपका oily skin है, this one is something that you should go for. I used to love wearing this one because ये थोड़ा glowy look देता है, and when you're out and about, you are not wearing a lot of makeup, so something like this really gives you that youthful glow. And अगर आपका थोड़ा tan भी हुआ है, it just looks so beautiful. This one, it's a fluid sunscreen, super lightweight. It also has SPF 50. तो दोनों काफ़ी अच्छे sunscreen है, and I used to use it on my face. And body sunscreen के लिए भी मैं दो product लेकर गई थी. This one is by Asaya. It's their sheer screen mist. This has SPF 65 PA+++, और ये literally खत्म हो चुका है. मैं पूरा utilize कर चुकी हूँ. This one has UVA, UVB, sweat and water resistant, and aloe vera extract. तो ये perfect है, especially if you're taking a beach vacay. I used to lather this all over my hands, the chest, the neck, the leg, whatever is exposed and जो cover up नहीं हुआ है मेरे कपड़ों से, lather this, and it gives such a beautiful glow. You know, when you're wearing something strappy and stuff like that, your legs are exposed, your hands are exposed, and you have this all over. It's protecting and it's giving that beautiful youthful glow to your skin, which I absolutely love. Similarly, this Moha sunscreen as well, very similar. It looks something like this. इसका bottle भी काफ़ी बड़ा है. ये literally मैं दो लेके गई थी, one for Ajinkya and one for me, and एक तो खत्म हो चुका है. This one at least a little half is remaining. This one again has SPF 50 in it, PA+++, broad spectrum UVA UVB protection, water resistant for 80 minutes. Again, if you're going for a beach vacay, especially if you're going to take a dip or swim or something like that, having a water resistant or waterproof, I mean, I don't know waterproof sunscreen होते भी है कि नहीं, but yeah, this is water resistant up to 80 minutes. Both of them are really good, and I love to have like a spray sunscreen. Both of them are spray sunscreen, and body पे लगाने के लिए ना काफ़ी easy और अच्छा पड़ता है, especially on your back and stuff like that. You can just spray and ask someone to rub it, and I used to always carry this in my beach bag as well. फटाक से अगर reapply करना है on my body, always have this in my beach bag. I mean, ये वाले sunscreen से आपको काफ़ी अच्छा glow मिल ही जाएगा, but if you want more glow and if you want to look like a glazed donut, then you can check out this product by Vaseline. It's their Vaseline body oil. After the sunscreen, just lather this oil up. it definitely feels a little bit more oily throughout the day. भी थोड़ा आपको feel होगा कि वो ज़्यादा जल्दी absorb नहीं हो रहा है. But one thing that you will do is like protect your sunscreen. Another thing is it gives you a great glow. Your skin looks so good. It looks like you drank water. It looks like you're glowing from within. So that's a really good product, especially in the beach location. काफी अच्छा प्यारा लगता है that glow. So if you're interested, definitely check this product out as well. And the last product I want to talk about in skincare is the Dalba First Spray Serum. I mean, अगर आपने मेरे last vlogs देखे होंगे, I told you I'm not a big fan. I mean, मुझे उतना hype उसका समझ में नहीं आता है. But this was such a savior in my vacay trip. पानी में जाने के बाद आपका skin काफी ज़्यादा dry हो जाता है when you come out. Apply this. It gives you that glow back into your skin, which who doesn't want, right? So yeah, I love this. That's all I have for skincare. Now let's talk about hair care and what exactly did I carry in my bag. सबसे पहले मैं बोल दूं, मैं शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर कैरी नहीं करती हूँ. आई मीन मैं कैरी करती हूँ बट मैं ये ऐसे बड़े बॉटल कैरी नहीं करती हूँ. आई जस्ट गो टू द केमिस्ट एंड गेट दैट सैशे. सो डव का, ट्रेसेमी का जो भी अवेलेबल है शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर, वो सैशे ₹1 वाला, ₹2 वाला जो सैशेज रहता है वो मैं कैरी करती हूँ. बेस्ट है, कभी स्पिल नहीं होगा. तो वो ईजी पड़ता है. जस्ट टेयर इट, यूज इट, यू कैन जस्ट थ्रो इट. यू डोंट हैव टू कैरी इट अगेन. व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्टाइलर्स, this is what I carried with me. I love the results that I get using Fix My Curls leave-in cream and the gel. And one great hack I would say is just take a masking tape and tape it all around, something like this. या फिर normal tape भी ले सकते हो and अच्छे से उसको tape करना. And जब भी आप use भी कर रहे हो ना वहाँ पर, make sure that you keep the tape it all over again. And this really helps to make sure ये आप spill नहीं कर रहे हो आपके bag में. Especially when you're taking a flight, that is something you don't want the products exploding all over your other products. I love my results when I use these two products. काफी ज़्यादा lightweight है, heavy और ऐसे greasy feel नहीं होता और ऐसा weigh down नहीं होता है. I love my hair like nice and big and voluminous. This is exactly gives me that. So this is the duo that I carried for styling my hair. Another product that I carried when it comes to styling is the Moxie hair wax stick. This is the Moxie headliner. Love this product. I use it on an everyday basis. And वहाँ पर obviously every single day you can't keep your hair like open like this. And if you want to do hairstyles, you have a lot of flyaways at the top. This is something that is going to give you that sleek hairstyle. And in general sleek भी नहीं करना होगा तो भी मैं ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे लगा ही लेती हूँ. काफ़ी अच्छा लुक देता है, काफ़ी क्लीन एंड नीट लुक देता है. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स एंड इफ़ यू हैवंट ट्राइड दिस, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? just grab this product. ये प्रोडक्ट से भी मुझे ये वाला प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा पसंद है. अदर वैक्स स्टिक्स आई हैव सीन कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैवी होता है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा वैक्सी फील होता है. ये वाला वैसा नहीं है. You can actually use it and not feel like अभी मुझे बाल धोना ही पड़ेगा. This one again does the same exact thing. I love carrying both of them. It's there on the fly stick like this. Will literally do the same exact thing. If you do your hairstyle, you can just use this to like tame the frizz. Traveling में भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा काम आता है. And of course, we are going on a beach vacay. How can I not get these claw clips? Like you have to, right? मैंने literally hair style save किया हुआ था Pinterest पे कि ये करूँगी मैं, वहाँ जाने के बाद ये वाला hair style करूँगी. कुछ भी नहीं कर पाई because वहाँ पर आपको helmet पहनना पड़ता है. Wearing this claw clips and wearing that helmet, not possible. You have to leave your hair. So it came in like a set of 4. इसमें भी sizes आते हैं, but I think this is like the perfect size if you want to do like a half up, half down and just a cute little hair clip like this. Even for summers, आप बाल बांधते हो, you can just use this and it's gonna look so summery and good. Hair care भी बता दिया क्या लेके गई थी. Let's talk about makeup. ज़्यादा नहीं है, काफ़ी कम product में every single day as an essential लगा दी थी and it just made such a huge difference. The first one after doing all my skincare, sunscreen लगाने के बाद, this is the only product as a base I used to apply is this one by Mars. You know, absolutely love this product. It's the God's Glow Illuminator. It has a slight coverage. It gives you that glow that you need. It gives you coverage. Medium नहीं बोलूँगी, light coverage ही बोलूँगी, and that's exactly that you need. You don't want to cake up your skin. I used to apply a little bit more near the under eye as well, and काफ़ी अच्छे से वो भी cover up कर लेता था. And of course, to apply that you need a brush, and I think ये एक या एक और ब्रश मैंने कैरी किया होगा. ये brush so versatile, so multiple uses you can get out of this. Like I love how big, like a nice kabuki brush it is. So ये है, ये side है that you can use to apply a little bit of powder, and you can use, इधर भी एक है and इधर भी एक है, especially while traveling. Products like these just make it so much more easier on your life. So absolutely grab this brush. Another product that I've literally finished is this one by Etude. It's their water tint. अगर आप beach vacation पे जा रहे हो ना, cream product, powder product, when it comes to blushes, नहीं टिकने वाले. Lipstick नहीं टिकने वाला. You're gonna go in the water, it's gonna wash off right away. The only thing जो टिकता है and it looks a little bit better, tint. Any tint will work, but I love using this one by Etude. As you can see, खत्म हो चुका है. And this specific color, I think it's cherry. As I said, यही एक product मैं base पे यह हमेशा लगाती थी. उसके ऊपर और भी चीज़ें लगाती थी मैं, but this one always have to have it. And talking about blushes, another one that I bought specifically for this vacay is this one by Pixi. I've never owned any Pixi blush, but ये मेरे feed पे आ गया था and I wanted to have it because of this color. Just look at that color. I think this shade is Ruby. This color just looks so gorgeous. It looks like you're blushing from within, and that beautiful golden tan. Chef's kiss. Especially after taking a dip, I used to love applying this literally on my lips, a little bit on my cheek, a little bit on my eyelid, and I'm good to go. I think the last few things I want to talk about are lip balm. I mean, lipstick भी मैंने carry किया था, but you need to stay hydrated. Your lips needs to look good. So these are the two lip balms that I carried. This one is by Wishcare. You guys know, love this one. It's a ceramide lip balm, and I love that it has SPF 50 in it. So again, your lips are protected as well. This one is again by Laneige. Is their lip glowy balm in berry shade. Both of them are my favorite. मैं ऐसे भी लगाती रहती हूँ and मैंने carry भी किया था. So these are all the makeup stuff. As I said, ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, बस इतने ही products है जो मैंने every single day use किए हैं. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. Do not forget to check them out. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Anywhere you go.